Good morning, students. You have seen that video I have sent, but that is the second lesson. From first lesson, our some portion is remained, that is cube and cube root. So we will first finish it and then we will continue that lesson. So अगर आपने नोट्स लिखे हैं तो रहने दो, अगर जिन्होंने नहीं लिखे हैं तो वो पहले क्यूब रूट का कंप्लीट करें, बाद में वो नोट्स लिखना है। और डेली आपको नोट्स लिखने हैं, सॉल्व करके देखना है, प्रैक्टिस करनी है, तभी आपको, क्योंकि बाद में जो अपनी रीओपन होगी स्कूल तो आगे का पोर्शन सिखाया जाएगा, ये रिपीट नहीं होगा। तो आपको घर पे प्रैक्टिस करनी है, जो भी हम होमवर्क बताते हैं वो भी करना है। ओके, सो टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट क्यूब एंड क्यूब रूट। First we will revise what is square and square root. We have seen how to find square. If number multiply itself, then we will get square. If and square root methods to find square root, that is division method, factorization method. And what is square? It is sum of odd numbers, consecutive odd numbers. If there is square of 7, that is 49, you have to add 7 odd numbers consecutive. What means by consecutive? जो continuation में आते हैं, जैसे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If you add consecutive odd number, we will get square of the number. If we add 7 consecutive odd number, we will get square of 7. If we will add say 5 consecutive odd numbers, we will get square of 5. So that is square and square root. Now cube. What is cube? If we multiply any number itself 3 times, then we will get cube of that number. That is 3 cube. Are we ready? 3 cube. If we multiply 3 times, we will get cube of 3, that is 27. And in radical sign, this is radical sign. This is order of radical 27 equals to, it means cube root of 27. So what will be answer? It will be 3. Cube root of 27 is 3 and cube of 3 is 27. Understood? Now cube of odd natural numbers are odd. Cube of odd natural numbers is odd. Cube of even natural number is even. Cube of negative number is always negative. So now it is clear how to find cube. If we multiply number 3 times, any number 3 times itself, then we will get cube. Now cube of odd number. How to find if it is cube number? जैसे हमने स्क्वायर नंबर में देखा है, यूनिट प्लेस पे क्या होता है? If on unit place there is 1, 4, 9, 6 and 0, that is square number. Means 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81 and 10 square is 100. Now observe unit place number 1, 4, 9, 6, 5 and 0. If on unit place there is 1, 4, 9, 6, 5 and 0, they are square numbers. Now what is cube? On cube number, in cube number, 1 cube. 1 minute. 1 cube. 1 cube equals to 1, 2 cube equals to 8, 3 cube equals to 27, 4 cube equals to 64, 5 cube equals to 125, 6 cube equals to 216, 7 cube equals to 343, 8 cube equals to 512, 9 cube equals to 729 and 10 cube equals to 1000. Now see, unit place numbers. Observe unit place numbers. In cube numbers, on unit place, which numbers? 1, 8, 7, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 9 and 0. If on unit place of number there is 1, then in cube of that number there is 1. If in unit place of number there is 2, in cube of that number there is 8. If on unit place there is 3, then in cube of that number, unit place number will be 7. If on unit place there is 4 in the number, then in cube number there will be 4. If on unit place there is 5 in the number, in cube of that number there will be 5. So like this, if on unit place there is 1, 8, 7, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 9 and 0, then they are cube numbers. Now what is square of 10? Square of 10, that is 100. And what is square of cube of 10? That is 1000. Now see, index of this 10 is 2. So how many zeros? 2. Index of 10 is 3. How many zeros? 3. Now what will be 100 cube? What will be 100 cube? It will be, how many zeros are there? How many zeros? There are 6 zeros. If in number there is 1 0, then in cube it will be 3 0. If there are 2 zeros, in cube number there are how many zeros? 6 zeros. If there are 3 zeros, then in cube number there will be 9 zeros. Understood? 3 times 0. How many zeros here? 1. So there are 3 zeros, 3 times 0. There are 2 zeros in cube number. There are 6 zeros. Here 3 zeros in cube number. There are 9 zeros. So if on unit place there is 0, then you have to put 3 times 0 of that number. Understood? Now we have seen how to find square by factorization like this. But you have to first write unit place number. So I will give you a chart. See, unit place number in the number and unit place number in cube number. So you have to note down this. Now factorization method to find. See, one more point I have explained, that is cube of even number is even. See here, cube of 2. It is even number and cube is 8. Cube of even number is even. 3 cube 27. 3 is odd. 27 also odd. Cube of negative number. Now if we multiply negative number even times, if we multiply negative number even times, we will get positive answer. If negative sign multiplied odd time, answer is negative. That is minus multiplied by minus is plus, minus multiplied by minus multiplied by minus is minus sign. These are rules of integers. You have seen it in 7th standard. So answer will be negative. If 3 times negative number, then answer will be negative. So what will be answer of this? Minus 4 cube. What will be answer? Minus 4 cube is, what is cube of 4? 64. And sign will be negative. So cube of negative number is negative. If there are two numbers, these are properties. These are all properties and these are written in your notebook, given in your textbook. So you have to go through it and note down if you want it necessary. So you will remember it very well. These are properties. A multiplied by B, or it is cube. then it is equals to a cube multiplied by b cube. If cube of product of two number, it is equal to product of their cubes. Which law is this? A to the power m. A multiplied by b to the power m equals to a to the power m multiplied by b to the power m. This law is applied here. Similarly, next property is a upon b cube. If cube of rational number, then it is equals to cube of denominator upon cube of numerator upon cube of denominator. So these are all properties. So these are given in your textbook. So you have to note down it properly. These are three properties. What is property? First is cube of even number is even, cube of odd number is odd, cube of negative number is always negative. If cube of product of two number, it is equals to cube of their product of their cubes. If there is division a upon b, then it is equals to a cube upon b cube. Understood? These are properties of cubes. Okay, in next video we will see how to find cube root.